Today we have the 2018 Nissan Pulsar. This vehicle has done just under 45,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic wipers. To the left of our screen we can access radio, CD and aux. On the right we have map, navigation, information and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our keyless ignition. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.